The Nobel Prize laureate for literature, French writer Albert Camus, wrote in his immortal novel The Plague: "The most convenient way of getting to know a city is by looking at how people work there, how they love, and how they die." In days gone by, when travel was a pastime reserved for the upper echelons of society, guidebooks, published in limited editions, focused precisely on the sensory perception of a city, on what is, in fact, the primary and only true perception of reality. They introduced their readers to the past by delicately viewing it into the fabric of the present. By overlaying this pattern onto the optics of literature, architecture, painting, and other urban achievements, they provided the traveler with more than just a list of must-see addresses. They laid bare the very fate of the city and its inhabitants. In this guidebook, you will find no addresses for shopping centers, no accounts of when their sales began. You can find such things in thousands of other books. I offer you a different formula. Having filed this book with dozens of highly detailed maps and having devised 3 unique routes for you, I believe that every journey we take is a little life. We must strive to fill it with events and impressions as densely as possible, for there may never be a second chance. I invite you to briefly cast aside all things material and set off in search of the true urban soul, hidden behind the garish posters and unpainted facets of my native city, the ancient and ever-surviving Athens. My guidebook is available on all Amazon marketplaces via this QR code and the link in the description.